Another day, ladies and gentlemen, and today we got the car up on a lift here. I'm using my buddy's garage. So we got the car up on the lift today, and we're gonna change the oil. So we got some Castrol 5W30 here, the oil filter, and we're also gonna change the fuel filter. So it's gonna make it a lot easier when we have it up standing right here, because right here is where we're gonna take out the old oil. The oil filter, it's hard to see, but it's right over there. And then the fuel filter should be somewhere around here.
Han var jävligt lös. Jag tog ju lite av det en gång. Och håller bötten upp va?
The professionals. Wait.
This guys hasn't been changed in 2 years. Look how black it is. It's not looking right.
It's not the usual way you empty the oil, but how we're doing it right now.
Alright, so here is the old oil. This one looks good. I don't see anything. It's very, very black, but I don't see any metal bits in here. So it should be good. We just put in the new drain plug. This is a brand new drain plug. I would recommend putting in a new drain plug when you guys do this to just avoid getting any oil leaks or something like that. So now we're just taking off the panel right here so we can get in and under to this oil filter right here. We got the old filter out. The old O-ring is not there, so that's great. So here's the new filter, and what I like to do is fill it with a bit of the new oil. This one up a little bit. That makes the engine not run dry. That's good. Nice, nice. And I'm fingering my oil filter, man.
I like it wet.
So what you want to do is, you do not want to tighten this with any tools. Just tighten it by hand. So that should be good. Now we have changed the oil filter. We're just gonna fill the oil back up. Now we're gonna fill her up with about 4.5 liters of oil. Well, this looks a lot better than the old oil. Okay, let's have a look at how much we got in now. We need more. We got 2 liters left. 4.5 liters later. That's the wrong way. And it's time to raise her up again and then change the fuel filter. Brand new back fender. Another day, another fix. We had to end this short last time because we didn't have the tools we needed to get the fuel lines off of this one. And also we got the new back bumper. It's not installed yet. Yeah, we're gonna check this out now and see if we can get it off. So we got 2 of the cables off, and it absolutely exploded all over the floor and in this bucket right here. We had the filter off. Finally, we got it off. What the fuck? But yeah, time to put in the new one. So now we're gonna take off back bumper, switch it out with this one. Well, it's not brand new, but it works. It's better than the last. And now we're gonna finally get rid of this ugly ass gap here. You see this? Obviously been some damage here. Someone's probably just backed up into something. So right now we're just removing the lights, and we also need to make a hole like this. Like this. There's no hole there.
Fuck you, Nick.
Taking off all of the screws now. Now we're gonna take off.
Oh, herregud.
Bro, come on, chill. I'm trying to record, man. We're gonna take off this so we can actually get it off. What is bro doing, man? No. Alright, so apparently this dumb fucker connected to the back light. So we gotta take this out to get in under here. We got it off now. You look here, there's one screw. Here, there's another one. Even the lady is going crazy with it.
Wait.
They got both of the headlights off now. And we're ready to take the whole thing off.
Wait a fucking second, Jesus.
Alright, we got it off. Look at these beasts.
Wow.
Rally color. Alright, old compared to new. The new isn't really new, but it looks a lot better. Hell no. Bro is doing it. Oh my god, he did it. We're finally done now. The back bumper is on. We made a new hole for this thing. Now this is the result of this side. As you guys can see, it does look a lot better. What the fuck? Finally done. That's basically everything with the car done. Looking good, huh? So as you guys can see, we also went to wash the car after we've fixed it up. The back bumper was a bit dirty as well as the rest of the car. So we thought, why not do a little wash on it? Just look at this straight filth that is on the wheel covers here. It's absolutely horrible. And therefore we had to wash it. And look at this. We got our homie William pulling up. He's very excited to wash the car. You can already see the enjoyment in his eyes. So we're ready to wash now, and yeah, you see how hyped he is. He is ready. Right, so this is the aftermath. It looks better, a lot better, I have to say, but you can actually also you can look at the tires. It's not great. They're very rusted. Much of the dirt went away, but not everything. As you can see here, much of this is just rust. It wouldn't come off. But the back bumper got nice. These blue dots I couldn't get off just by washing it. However, later in the video I actually got them off, so yeah. Alright, it's really cold outside. But nonetheless, sun's going down. We're gonna wash these, vacuum the whole thing. Because as you guys can see, it's absolutely filthy in here. We're gonna try and get it as clean as we can today. And we also do have this sort of water vacuum. Let's begin with the vacuum. Right, first carpet has been cleaned. This one's been cleaned. But so far so good. It's all wet and stuff now, but it's gonna dry up and I think it's gonna be a lot better. It did suck out a bunch of the shit that was in these seats, so all the seats are now done. Came out pretty good. There was a lot, oh Jesus Christ, there was a lot of stuff in the back here. It's all out now and they're looking a lot cleaner. All the stains are out, but it's time to take all this grime and dirt and everything here out. Right, so I just gave the fuck up on recording that night because it was so cold. But here you can see the aftermath of the chairs and the seats and also the dashboard and yeah, everything in here, infotainment system, cup holders, everything is looking a lot better. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. Here you can see that the mats are not clean. I have to clean them too, where I did. The seats here are looking fabulous, and overall I think it went out great. Here you can see we're posting the car online. I posted it on a Norwegian sale page and also on Facebook to double the chances of us getting a sale. So yeah, had to pay some money, but it's worth it for the cause. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have some news. There's been a few people who has looked at the car now. I gotta be honest, it's been a while since I put the car out for sale. But yeah, we just had one guy leave like 40 minutes ago now. And I also have one guy tomorrow who's gonna look at the car. So we got quite a lot of traction right now. So it did take a while before people picked up on the car. But hopefully now we're gonna get it sold and we're gonna get some of that sweet profit. Alright, the car
has finally sold. The guy was very nice, came over, basically handed me the money instantly, just here you go buddy. It was as easy as that, but I'll have to admit, this car took way too long to sell, man. Holy shit, it took so long. I bought it in December, it's now been finally sold in early April, but that's way too long, man. But right now, guys, we are doing the profit breakdown. Now, this board is way too big for this car, so I don't know why I did it. We bought the car for 15. Oh my God. That's about 15k kroners is about $1,500. We got $1,500 to buy the car. Other expenses like the parts we used, fuel and all that. Anyway, total cost of the whole of the Golf, it's about $2,100. And then the final point, what did we sell it for? We sold it for $2,400. Yeah, I know, it's pretty bad. I am aware of that. However, we did get it sold and we did not lose money. So, you know what? As a first flip, I'm gonna call that a W in the chat, man. And we're gonna earn more on the next one. But onto the profit, you can probably see that by now. So yeah, we made about $250-ish on this flip. It's not great at all, I agree. However, this is the first, and allow me this one, guys. Come on, man, allow me this one. It's the first car flip I've ever done. We're gonna get better at this. This is just a start. You know what? We are $250 in the plus in getting my dream car. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. Stay tuned and stay excited. I'll see y'all in the next video when I have a new flip. Adieu and peace out.